Hi guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you recover your deleted message. This video might be helpful those person who want to check his or her boyfriend and girlfriend messenger message, but before getting the device he or she deleted all the messages. But you can now recover those messages he or she deleted from Facebook or Messenger earlier. So I am going to show you the process. So for this reason you have to open your Facebook. From Facebook you can see here three dot line. You have to tap on three dot line. Then you have to click here settings on and privacy, and then settings. Then you have to click on here profile setting. After clicking here profile settings, after you have to scroll down, and then you will can see here a option download profile information. You have to download that. Then you will can see here messages. So you want to recover only messages, not post, not profile, poll, etc. You only want to recover your messages, so you have to click only. First you have to deselect all and have to select only messages. Then you have to scroll down. So after scroll down here, I don't want to get back all time messages, but only want to get back 2 days and tomorrow messages. And you have to make sure that format is HTML and media quality I take here medium. Then you have to click here create file. You can see here the message is on pending. So after some time, like 5 or 10 minutes after, they will get back a message in your Facebook notification. From here you can download your information. So you have to get back on your notification. You can see here 6 minutes ago I was downloaded my information. They will give the information again, but I only show you through the my previous downloaded information. So I am simply click on downloaded information. Then you can see here my now message is pending, but previous message here you will can see this kind of interface. So you have to click on download again. Then they take another browser, another website. Then you have to click here download. Probably here they will ask you for giving your Facebook password. Then you have to give your Facebook password. Then you will can see here below here three dot line. You have to click three dot line, and there you will can see downloads files. You have to click on it. Then you have to will can see here Facebook's a notification. So you have to click on open. Then you will can see here messages. You download your messages, you have to click open. Then we can see here inbox. So you want to check inbox messages. So there we can see the messages you used, you get or you sent previously. Those messages I send my friends. I get a message from my friends Adnan Siam, and it's my group Finance Fighter, তারপরে Nasim Ahmed, Pushan family, and this kind of message you get. So I am simply opening Finance Fighter group. So you have to click here and open HTML. You can see here all the messages I get today's messages. So from here you can get messages, and deleted messages also you will get from here. The photos. So today's photos which you get and which you give, those photos you will can see from here. You can see here photos. You have to simply click on it, and then you can see my groups, and here I got some message. You can see Finance Fighters group. From here this message I get and those photos I got. So this is the process of getting deleted message. So thank you for watching my video.